Hi, my name is Joel Trapoli. I'm the CTO of Enitlab Ltd. We are the Hungarian partner of Luke DS Solution, Digital Signage Solutions. We had a project in the last 2 years to build up a really innovative museum and visitor center. The requirement was to provide high quality displays with the best digital signage system. We delivered the Look digital signage system to the customer because we have seen this is a reliable and easy to use system. The museum director really liked the interface. We are using it lots of different kind of displays. We have outdoor digital signage display installation. We have installation in the coffee shop window outside to the street, and we have several displays which are showing the price list, the tickets at the reception area of the visitor center and the museum as well. Advantage of the system what we have choose that it's controlling and maintaining all the different kind of displays. It doesn't matter that it's a portrait or landscape or the size of the screen, it doesn't matter. So we have one central management interface where we can maintaining the displays and uploading the contents, scheduling them, so it's really easy to use. So we definitely want to build up our relationship or partnership with Look DS, and are already working on a new quotation with them, where we would like to use Look DS in a new castle museum, where they would like to have innovative display solutions, interactive displays, totems, and different kind of screens. So hopefully this will be a good partnership with Look Digital Signage.